I'm Joshua Wynn Gibson, and welcome to the show. I posted a clip yesterday about a $1.5 million home here in Los Angeles. That's 3 beds, 2 baths, and I got some interesting feedback. Yes, this definitely sounds insane. $1.5 million for a 3-bed house sounds insane. I get it. But that's not the real story. Some houses at that price sell fast, others sit. The difference is how they're prepared. This house is a perfect example. But I want to make sense of what that means if you're not living here. This is a very unique market. We live in Los Angeles, and this city is a place where you're not really just paying for the house itself. You're paying for a feeling, for a sensation, for a lifestyle. But here's what's actually interesting. The real question is, why do some homes sit and others sell faster? Well, a key point is this house, for example. It's how they're prepared. Take this house, for example, on Palmero. Before we listed, the owners had lived here for about 10 years. And as we all do, we made ourselves at home. So that is one of the first steps that we took on as a project, getting this house ready to bring it to market. We had to discuss at length for many months with the homeowners on the benefits of getting the home ready to sell, which is very challenging, especially if you're living here, which these homeowners are, while they're trying to sell their house. Who doesn't have to deal with this problem? I mean, obviously, we all are going to have to deal with this potentially if we're selling our house at some point. It's expensive to go rent. Not everyone can host you for free either, especially when you're a family with kids. So yes, that's part of the challenge, but it is worth it to take the time, make the effort, put in the work to get the home ready to list, even if you're living in it. And this house will be the proof that we will show to you guys. First off, the home now looks absolutely amazing and is marketable after some light renovations and some staging. We brought a bunch of furniture in. We did some interior styling and decor. And also now the homeowners still get to live in the home because we took that into consideration while we were staging the house and getting it ready for the listing and for the photos. So we have a couple different stages that we're working with here. One is the photos, bring all this beautiful furniture in, get it ready for the photos, and then they can start to settle in a little bit more after the pictures before the open houses. So of course, people coming to the open house will be fully aware of the fact that yes, people live here. So we're not trying to hide that, but it's about editing the belongings that you have in the home while you're trying to sell it is what generally will be the main effect on pushing the price of the home and getting these homeowners the maximum return. It's hard, it's a challenge, and we've been, going through it for the last several months, just, shuffling things from room to room, getting things put, in places in the house where it's out of sight. So that way we can make it look like no one lives here, even though we're not trying to hide that. We are letting everyone know people live here, but let it look like there's as little of your personal artifacts in the premises as possible. One of the key points to enabling you to push that envelope and maximize your sale price. When you're looking at other homes, same neighborhood, same price range, totally different outcomes. Why? Well, I believe it's truly about the prep. Was the staging that you guys decided ultimately to do cohesive? Was it thought out? Was it using a mixture of the personal items that belong or that were the homeowner's items, or only staging items from a staging company? Is it staged at all? What about not staging the house? That's something to highly consider if there's no budget to pay for staging. And also the real estate agents or the broker recommends that the home would probably sell for a lot more with just nothing in it, rather than there being some personal items or items left behind by a previous homeowner that is no longer there at all. So, those types of things are really truly what determine the outcome of why some homes may sit a little bit longer or just not sell at all. Same price range, same neighborhood. This home has been shot, and we're really excited to bring it to market and list it very shortly here. And we will be reporting back to you with a little update on what ultimately happens with this home and what it sells for, and whether or not this intense effort to live in the house while we're selling it and do these light renovations while their owners are living here and bringing in all new, mostly all new furniture, taking out all of your personal belongings, moving before you basically even sell the home and then have to move again. Was it worth it? Stay tuned and I'll let you know.